What's up, everybody? Sean with Cozy Home Services here. Today is a little bit of a slower day. I had a call earlier today that I ran, but nothing else has come in today. Instead of just sitting around, I figured I'd get out here and get to it. So I got my door hangers. There's my door hangers right here. And I'm in my home base, which is Lansdale, PA, and I'm just going door to door, just trying to, tell people about my business and about the work that I do, and see if I can snatch some customers away from these overpriced big companies. So, see me in the area, that's what I'm doing.